Assalamu alaikum. My name is Parvez Mahmood. My student ID is 12404064. I am a student of Comilla University in Department of Mathematics. First of all, I would like to thank to my honorable course teacher, Dr. Mahmudul Hassan, who gave me the opportunity to present my topic. Today, my topic name is C token. In this video, we discuss how C token is similar to the English language. We generally speak in English language. How are we able to identify whether the particular English sentences correct or incorrect? For example, if I say, good he is, you might say this sentence is incorrect. So, the correct one is he is good. We are able to identify the correctness of a English sentence because we understand the grammar rule of English sentence. Correct sequence should be noun plus verb plus adjective. Hence, noun, verb, and adjective are nothing but the basic building blocks or tokens of English language. Using these basic building blocks, we can form English statement and also we can identify the error of English language. Similarly, C also has the basic building blocks called token. Without tokens, you can't even write a single programming C language. Tokens are the smallest individual unit in a C program which helps us to identify errors in our program. Every word or a symbol in our program is referred to as token. When we give a program to compiler, the first page in compiler is lexical analysis. During lexical analysis, the program is divided into set of tokens or lexes through which the compiler understands the programs and also with identify any error in our program, then this set of token is given to the function. Now C language supports 6 types of tokens. The first one is keywords, second one is constant, then identifiers, then string, then operators, and last one is special symbols. Thank you to watching my videos.